Today we start practice set 3.3. There is first question is the first term of AP is 6 and the common difference 3 respectively. Find as 27. How to find? There is given is what? There is given is 8. The first term of AP is 6. Means first term means what? A. We can write here A is equal to 6 and their common difference means what? D. We can write here D is equal to 3 and find out the value of as 23. Now we apply here. First we can write here formula. The formula is what? Sn is equal to n upon 2. Now bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now bracket will be closed. Understood? This is the formula. We can write here formula. Understood? Now find out the value of S27 means what? There is n is what? 27. N is what? 27. Now we can write here S27 is equal to n. N is what? N value is 27. We can write it 27 upon 2. Now there is bracket 2 into a value is what? 6. We can write here 6 plus now n value is what? 27 minus 1 and d value is what? 3. We can write here into 3. Now bracket will be closed. Now we can find out 27 upon 2. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 27 minus 1 is what? 26 into 3. Now bracket will be closed. Now 27 upon 2, there is bracket 12 plus, we can multiply 26 into 3 is what? 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 2 are 6 and 78. Understood? Now add this equation 27 upon 2 and there is bracket 12 plus 78, 8 2 are 8 2 10 and 7 1 8 and 9, there is 90. Understood? Now we can cancel 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now 27 into 45 is equal to, we can write here as 27. Now as 27 is equal to 27 into 45 is what? 1215. Now this is your final answer. As 27 is equal to 1250. Now the second question, find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. Understood? Now we can write here, there is natural number will be started from 2 4 6 and dot etc. But there is last number is what? N number is what? 123. We can write here 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot last number is 2 and this is what? This is the even natural number. Even natural number. Okay. Now the first is what? A. We can write here A is equal to what? 2 and there is a is equal to what? This is T1 also. Now comma T2 is equal to 4 and T3 is equal to what? 6. First we can find out there is a common difference. We find out D. D is equal to which? T2 minus T1 means what? Second term minus first term. We can write here second term is equal to what? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then D's value is what? 2. Now that N value is what? 123. We can write here N is equal to what? 123. N is equal to 123. Now find out the value as 123. We can write here formula S is equal to N upon 2. Now bracket 2a plus N minus 1 bracket close and then D. This is your formula. We can write here formula. Now we can put here, substitute the value as 123 is equal to 123 upon 2. Now bracket 2a. A value is what? 2. We can write here 2 into 2 plus n value is what? 123 minus 1 and d value is 2. We can write it, we can multiply here 2. Now the answer is 132, 123 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. We can write here 4 plus 123 minus 1. 122. We can write here 122 into 2. Clear? Now 123 upon 2, there is bracket. 122 into 2 is what? 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Clear? There is 244, 244. Now we can adding 123 upon 2. Now there is value is 248. Clear? Divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. There is 123 into 124. Now 123 into 124 is equal to as 123 value is equal to 15,252. 50,252. This is your final answer. Now we can write down the answer. The sum of the first 123 even natural number is 15,252. Now question number 3. Find the sum of all even number between 1 to 350. First we can write here natural number will be started from 2, 4, 6 and dot 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 etc. But limit is what? 350. 350 is there is the number is what? 348. First we can write the even natural number. We can write here the even natural number between 1 to 350 is 2, 2, 4, 6 and dot 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 348. Understood? Now first we can find the value. A is equal to what? A is equal to 2 and this is your T1, and now T2 is equal to 4 and T3 is equal to what? 6, and this is last number is what? This is a Tn is equal to 348. 348. First we can find out the distance. Where what is the value of d? We can write here d value is what? How to write down? D is equal to what? T2 minus second term minus first term. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Means that value d is what? 2. Understood? Now we can apply here. This formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Clear? Now Tn and term is what? 348. We can write here 348. 348 is equal to a value is what? 2 plus, and we can find out n value, n minus 1, d value is what? 2. 348 is equal to, we can write here 2 plus 2n minus 2. Now there 2 is a cancel. 2, there is 2 is a cancel because one positive number, one negative number is 0. This is a 2 and plus 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled. Now this value is 2n. First we can write here n is equal to, we can write here n is equal to 348 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. Now n value is what? 174. This is your n value. N is equal to what? 174. Now we find out the value of Sn. Understood? How to find out? Now we find out Sn. Then the formula is what? Sn is equal to n upon 2, and now there is T1 plus T2. T1 plus Tn means first term plus last term. there is a first term is what? Now n is value was 174. We can write here 174 upon 2. Now a t1 means what? A value is what? T1 is, we can write it 2. We can write it 2 plus, and tnth value is what? 348. Clear? Now we can write here 172. 348 plus 2 is what? 350. 350. Now cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14, and 2 fives are 15. Understood? Now the value is what? 174 into 175. This is your Sn. Now Sn is equal to 174 into 175 is equal to what? 30,450. You can write here 30,450. Now this is your Sn. Now this is your final answer. Now Sn means what? S124, S174. Understood? Now we can write here the sum of all even number between 1 to 350 is 30,450. Understood? Now next is question number 4. Question number 4 is in an AP 19 terms is 52 and 38 term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 term. Understood? Which term? First 56 term means what? As 56. How to find out? First we can find out A and D. Now the equation is what? 19 terms is 52 and 18 terms is 128. First we can write here, let us first term, let the first term in AP be A and common difference D. The first term in APB A and common difference D. Now the given is what? 19 terms means what? T19 is equal to 52 and T38 is equal to 128. Now find out the value of S56. How to find out? First we can use the formula. This formula is what? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. This is your formula. Now first we can put here T19. Use the T19. Now there T19 is what? We can write that T19 is equal to A plus n minus 1 means 19 minus 1 and D value is not given. We can write a D. Now T19 is what? 52 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 is 18D. This is your equation number 1. Understood? Now second we can find out there is T38. Understood? Now we can write here T38 is equal to what? T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 and D. T38 value is what? 128. 128 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 is what? 37D. This is your equation number 2. Understood? Now we can adding equation 1 and 2. Right here adding equation 1 and 2. Now the first equation is what? We can write here 52 is equal to A plus 18D and 128 is equal to A plus 37D. Now adding the equation. Now there is 8 to 10 carry 1, 5 to 7, 1 is 8 and there is 180 is equal to, there is a 2a plus 7 plus 8 15, carry 1 3 4 5, we can write it 5d. 180 is equal to 2a plus 50d. This is your equation number 3rd. Understood? Now next is we can find out the value of Sn, first term 56. Understood? Now we can write here Sn is equal to, and then put the value of equation Sn. Now we can write here I have solved here. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2. Sn is equal to n upon 2. Now bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now put the value of n, Sn, and n means what? 56. We can write here as 56. We can write here n value is what? 56. Now as 56 is equal to 56 upon 2. Now 2a, a value is not given, we can write here 2a plus n value is what? 56. We can write here 56 minus 1, and d value is not given, we can write here d. Understood? Now solve this equation here. 56, we can write here 56 upon 2. Now there is 56 upon 2 is cancelled. There is 56, 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4, and 2 eights are 16. Understood? Now we can write here 2 twos are 4, and 2 8s are 16, 28. Now there is value is what? 28. Now bracket is 2a plus 56 minus 1 is what? 55. We can write it 55d. Now look here, this equation S 56 is equal to 20a, 2a plus 55d. Now there is 2a plus 55d is there is given. Understood? There is given, their value is what? 2a plus 55d. This value we can put 180. Now we can put here 180 from equation number 3rd. Now we can write here 28 into 180. This is your from equation 3rd. From equation 3rd. Now we can write here as 26 as 56 is equal to 28 into 180. 28 into 180 is equal to what? 5040. This is your final answer. As 56 is equal to 5040. Understood? Now we can write here the sum of first 56 term is 5040. Question number 5. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. Now this is the activity. The first is from 1 to 140 natural number divisible by 4, 4 comma 8 comma and dot dot dot. There is last number is 136. The question is how many numbers, how to find out numbers. First we can find out n value. There is not given. There is, we can put here question mark. Now a, what is the a value is what? Means what? First term, first number is what? A. This is a T1 also. The a is what? 4. We can write here a value is 4. Now d. D value is what? There is divisible by 4 means what? There is 4 and plus 4 is what? 8 means there is a common difference is 4. We can write here 4. Now Tn. Tn is what? there is a division by last number is what? Tn. This is the tnth number 136. We can put here 136. Understood? Now there is a formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now there is a Tn value is 136 is equal to, there is what? A value is what? 4. We can put here 4 plus n minus 1 and d value is 4. Now we solve here. 136 is equal to 4 plus this 4 multiplied by this 4 into n is what? 4n and minus 4. Look here, plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled because they will be 1 plus and 1 minus, their number will be same is 0. Now 136 is equal to n and 4 is divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 and then 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. Now n is what? N is equal to 34. Then n value is equal to what? N is equal to 34. Now we put here n is equal to 34. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2. There is next, this is formula Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now there is n. What is the n value? N value is 34. We can put here 34. Now there is also, you can put here 34. Now then 2a means 2 into a value is what? A value is 4. We can write here 4 plus n. N value is what? 34. We can write here 34 minus 1 and d is what? 4. We can write here into 4. Understood? Now we can find out 34 upon 2. Now there is 34 upon 2 is 17. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are. Understood? We can divide it 2, 2 ones are 2 and there 2 ones are 2 and 2 17. This cancel 1 7. Understood? Now there is 4 2s are 8 plus 34 minus 1 is what? 33 into 4. Now 17 into 33 into 4 is what? There is 8 plus 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 1 is 13. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1 is 13. 132. Now 17 into 8 plus 132 is what? 140. Understood? Now we can find out as 34 is equal to 17 into 140. Their value is what? 2380. 2380. This is your as 34. Understood? Now the question is what? The sum of the number 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. We can write here 2380. Understood? Question 6. The sum of the first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find the 28 terms. Understood? Find the 28 terms. First, there is given. The given is Sn is equal to Sn as 55 is equal to 3300. Understood? Now we write here. Let the first terms of the AP be A and common difference D. Understood? Now we use the formula. This formula is equal to what? Sn is equal to n upon 2. Now bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now bracket close. You can write here formula. Understood? Now put the value Sn. Sn means what? S55. We can put here S55 is equal to n upon 2 and now bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now there is n value is what? 55. We can write here 55 2a plus n is what? 55 minus 1 and d. Understood? Now the values, as 55 value is what? 3300. We can write here 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2. Now this bracket is 2a plus 55 minus 1 is what? 54. We can write here 54 and then d. 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2, and there is the 2a plus 54d. Understood? Now there 2 is there. We can write here, there is 2 is common. We can write here 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2. Now there 2 is common. We can write here multiply in 2, and there is bracket, there is a plus 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and d. Understood? There 2 is common. Now there is 2 is cancelled. Now 3300 is equal to 55, and there is multiplication a plus 27d. Now there is multiply, they can be divided here. Now we can write here 3300 upon 55 is equal to a plus 27d. Now 55 we can divide, the answer is what? 60 is equal to, how to 60? We divide 55 into 6, we can 11 5s are 55 and 11 3s are 33. There is 300, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. Now there is 60. We can write here 60 is equal to a plus 27d. A plus 27d. Understood? Now the question is what? 28 terms is what? We can write down here. Now we can use Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now there is which term? 28 terms. We can write here T28 is equal to a plus n minus 1d means what? 28 minus 1d. Now T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 is what? 27. We can write it 27d. Now look here, a plus 27d. We can write it, this is equation number 1. Now a plus 27d is equal to what? 60. We can write here 60. Now T28 is equal to 60. Condition from equation 1. Understood? Now there is last, we can write here the answer. 28 terms is 60. This is your final answer. Question number 7. In an AP, the sum of the three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. There is assumed that three consecutive terms is in AP are a minus g, a and a plus g. Understood? First we can write here. What we write here? We write here, let the three consecutive terms is AP be a and there are a minus g and a plus d. We can write here, let the three consecutive terms in AP be a minus d, a and a plus d. Now the question is what? The sum of three consecutive terms is 27. Now we can write here first condition there is three terms sum. Sums means what? Total. We can write here a minus d plus a plus d is equal to what? 27. Understood? Now look here, there is plus a, there is plus a plus a plus a plus a. We 3a minus d plus d will be cancelled. Now is equal to what? 27. Now a is equal to 27 upon 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 9 are 27. Now a is equal to what? 9. Clear? A is equal to what? 9. We can write here a is equal to what? 9. Understood? Now the second condition, we can write here second condition. Second condition, their product is 504. Product means what? Multiplication. Now we can write here a minus d. Which product? The three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Now their product means what? Multiply. We can multiply here a minus d into a plus d is equal to 504. Understood? Now there is a minus d and a plus d means what? A square plus d square. We can write here. Now there is value of a is what? We can put here 9. We can write here 9 minus 1, 9 minus d into 9 plus d is equal to 504. Understood? Now there is 9 multiply with another form, right hand side there is divided. Now the equation is what? We can write here 9 minus d into 9 plus d is equal to 504 upon 9. Now this is the a minus b and a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. We can using this formula is what? A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Understood? Now we can put here 9 square minus d square is equal to, we can divide 504 upon 9 is what? Is the 56. We can 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are, there is 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are is what? 45. There is 9 fives are 45. 50 minus 45 is what? 5. There is 54. 9 6 are 54. There is what? Answer is 56. Now we can write here 56. Now there 9 square is what? 81 minus d square is equal to 56. Now minus d square is equal to 56. We can transfer 81 is transferred from this side. There is 81 plus sign, there is minus sign. Now minus d square is equal to minus 25. There is minus minus cancel and d is equal to what? Plus minus 5. Got it? Now first we can put here a value is 9 and d value is plus 5, and now second we can put here a value is 9 and second value is minus 5. Understood? Now we can put here the value of the three consecutive terms are, first is the three terms are, there is terms is what? A minus d is equal to, a minus d means what? A value is 9 minus d is what? Plus 5. You can use plus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now a value is what? 9. You can write here a is equal to 9. Now second is what? A minus d. A plus d means what? A plus d is equal to what? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Understood? Now second we can use minus 5, d is equal to minus 5, a minus d is equal to, a value is 9 minus 5, we can write it minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. Now second is a is what? We can comma, a is equal to 9 and last is what? A plus D is equal to what? 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Understood? Now these terms, three terms, quadratic terms are which terms? 4, 9, 14 and 14, 9, 4. We can write here the three consecutive terms are which terms are? This terms is what? 4, 9, 14 and 14, 9, 4. Clear? Question number 8. Find 4 positive terms in AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. We can write here, first we can write here, let the 4 consecutive terms in an AP be A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Understood? Now the first condition is what? The sum is what? 12. The first condition, the first condition is what? A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to what? 12. This is your first condition. Now count here. A 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4A and minus D and there is plus 2D. There is a minus D plus 2D is what? Minus D or plus D and here there is plus 2D. Then this is minus cancel. Minus D plus D will be cancelled. This is D. This is cancelled. Now there is what? Plus 2D. We can write here plus 2D is equal to 12. Understood? Now we can divide it into both sides. We can write here dividing both sides by 2. We can write here there is 2A plus D is equal to 6. We can write here dividing both sides by 2. Understood? Now this is your equation number 1. 2A plus D is equal to C. 2A plus D is equal to 6. Understood? Now second condition. The second condition is what? There is a sum of third and fourth term. There is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Third term is what? A plus D and fourth term is what? A plus 2D. We can write here third term A plus D and A plus 2D is equal to what? Is 14. Understood? Now A plus A is 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. This is your equation number 2. Understood? Now look here, equation number 1, there is 2A. We can subtracting from equation 1 from 2. Understood? Now we can write here subtracting equation 1 from 2. Now look here, we can write here 2A plus 3D is equal to 14 and 2A plus D is equal to 6. 2A plus D is equal to 6. Now there is what? Subtracting means what? Sign will be changed. Now there is cancelled. 2A cancelled. 3D minus D is equal to what? 2D and 14 minus 6 is what? 8. We can write here 8. Now D is equal to what? 8 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja. Now D is what? 4. D value is what? 4. And find out the value of A. We can put the in equation number 1. Now substitute. Put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Now 2A plus D value is what? 4 is equal to 6. 2A is equal to 6 minus 4. 2A is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 2 upon 2 to cancel, then a value is what? 1. Understood? Now there is value of a is what? 1. Now we can taking a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 4. In substitute the value, there is a minus d, a and a plus d and a plus 2d. We can write here first a minus d is equal to, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1 minus d value is what? 4 is equal to what? Minus 3. Now a is equal to what? 1. Now a plus d is equal to what? 1. D is what? 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to what? 5. Now second is, last is a plus 2d. A is 1 plus 2d means 2 into 4 is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to what? 9. Understood? Now we can write here the 4 consecutive terms is and is are. We can write here 4 consecutive terms are, the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3 1, minus 3 comma 1 comma and 5 comma and last is 9. Question 9. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then so that 29th term is twice the 19 terms. Understood? Twice the 19 terms. First we can write here, let the first term the AP be a and common difference d. Understood? Now their question is what? 9 terms of AP is 0. Means what? T9 is equal to 0. Understood? Now we use the formula. This formula is what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Clear? Now we can put here Tn is equal to 0. We can put here T9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 d. Now T9 is what? 0 is equal to a plus 8d. Understood? Now 8d we can transfer from here. There is minus sign. A is equal to what? Now we put here a is equal to minus 8d. A is equal to what? Minus 8d. Now same we can find out 19 terms. We can find out 19 terms. For 19 terms we can write here for 19 terms. Same formula we can use here. We can write here T19 is equal to a plus 19 minus 1d. Now T19 is what? T19 is equal to a plus 19 minus 1 means what? 18d. Now what is the value of a? Value of a is minus 8d. We can write here T19 is equal to minus 8d plus 18d from equation 1. We can put here, this is your equation 1. Understood? Now this is your equation 1. Now T19 is equal to minus 8d plus 18d is equal to what? 10d. This is your equation number 2. Okay. Now we find out T29. For T29 terms, for 29 terms, same formula we can use. T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 d. Now T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 is 28d. Now put the value of a. A is what? Minus 8d. We can write here T29 is equal to minus 8d plus 28d. We can write here from equation 1. Now T29 is equal to minus 8 plus D is plus 28D is equal to what? 20D. This is your equation number third. This is your equation number second. This is your equation number third. Understood? Now the question is what? The question is show that 29 term is twice the 19 terms. Understood? Now we can write here from third and second equation. From third and second, what we get here? We get here 29 is equal to, we can write here T29 is equal to 20D. Understood? We get 20D is means what? 2 into, we can write here T29 is equal to 2 into 10D. We can write here 2 into 10D. 10D is what? 10D is T19. We can write here T19. T29 is equal to 2 into T19. This is your from equation 2. T29 is equal to 2 into T19. This is your proof. Now we can write here T29 terms is twice the 19 terms. We can write here 29 term is twice the 19 terms. Okay.